Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, heat the 1/4 cup, 60 ml, of rice bran oil in a large pot over medium heat. This oil is perfect for this recipe because it has a high smoke point, but if you don't have it, any vegetable oil will work just fine. You'll know the oil is ready when it shimmers slightly. That's your visual cue to move forward. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Now, add your diced medium onion, 3 minced garlic cloves, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of minced ginger to the pot. Let these aromatics work their magic for 8 minutes. You're looking for the onions to turn a nice golden brown color. This is crucial because it builds the flavor foundation of our stew. Keep stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Time to add the spices. 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let these toast for 2 minutes, stirring constantly. You'll know they're ready when you can smell their aromatic fragrance filling your kitchen. This toasting step really awakens the spices and brings out their best flavors. Add the 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and cook for just 1 minute. Keep stirring to prevent it from sticking to the bottom. You'll notice the paste darkening slightly and becoming fragrant. That's exactly what we want. This brief cooking helps to caramelize the tomato paste and deepen its flavor. Pour in your can of diced tomatoes, 400 grams or 14.10 ounces, and let it simmer for 5 minutes, with the lid slightly askew. This allows some steam to escape. While the sauce thickens, you'll see the sauce start to reduce and become slightly more concentrated. That's your signal that it's ready for the next step. Now for the star ingredient. Add the 500 grams, 1.1 pounds, of frozen spinach and cover the pot. Let it cook for 5 minutes, until the spinach completely defrosts. Don't worry if it looks too full at first. Spinach reduces dramatically as it cooks. You'll know it's ready when all the spinach has turned a deep green color. Time to add 1 can, 425 grams,
Or
14.99 ounces, of drained and rinsed chickpeas, and season with salt to taste. The chickpeas add wonderful protein and texture to our stew. Make sure to taste and adjust the salt gradually. You can always add more, but you can't take it away if you're using them. Now's the time to add the juice of 1 medium lemon and the small red chili. These are optional, but they really brighten up the flavors. If you're sensitive to heat, you can remove the chili seeds first, or skip it altogether. The lemon adds a lovely fresh note that really makes the other flavors pop. Let everything simmer together for 5 to 10 minutes to allow all those wonderful flavors to melt. You'll know it's ready when the stew has thickened slightly and the chickpeas are heated through. The aroma should be rich and inviting, and the spinach should be perfectly tender. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
bye.